What's up, guys? We have got another little unboxing we're going to do. This is a coin sorter that I picked up off of Amazon. I will put a link down in the description of this video. I picked up some extra coin sleeves from my bank. My bank will actually give these out, and I'm real grateful of that. And what I wanted to do here basically is just show you what you get in the box with this thing. I've been wanting one for a while, but I did not want to spend a lot of money. You do get the, I guess you could say, some more of the coin sleeves. But like I say, I did not want to spend a lot of money. There's several different ones out there online on Amazon. The ones that had the better rating that were electric were more than I really wanted to spend. So I just decided to go with the manual one. And bear with me, guys, because I'm doing this with one hand. Let's see if we can get this out. And here it is. It's very straightforward. As I mentioned, it is a manual coin sorter, and it looks like it's going to take me just a minute, guys, to get this off. But you can see it right here. And this is one that I think is going to work just fine for my needs. You know, I think that, you know, as far as when I roll coins, it's usually maybe once or twice a year at the most. I don't really roll a lot. I don't really keep back a lot. And I think this is going to do exactly what I need. You can put your sleeves in here, and that way you can literally fill the sleeves up as you're going. And whether or not I do that, I don't really know. But then you can take them out and put your coins into however you're going to sort them. And again, guys, I think that this is going to be one of those things that does get some occasional use, but not a lot of use, just basically because, you know, there again, I don't do it that often. But what I wanted to do is show it to you, show you what you get in the box. And, of course, you do get a book right here that kind of tells you about the about how it works, which it's, again, just very straightforward. The handle is in here, you know, it goes onto the side of it and just simply slips into place right there. Some of you guys probably have a box just like mine that's just a bunch of junk that you got thrown around, and you got it full of coins. You know, you dump your change in it at the end of the day, and it just piles up. That's what we've got here. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab a handful of coins and hope that I don't have things like this mixed in there, but obviously I do. And just kind of go through them, filter through them, and drop them right in here. I'm just going to fill this hopper up, or at least put several handfuls in it, and go from there. And I think that one of the things I noticed about a lot of the electric ones that was noticed online showed that several of them did have, I guess you could say, the cheaper ones that were frequently returned. So that was one of the things that scared me away from some of the cheaper electric ones. And this one, though, it seemed to do fine as far as the ratings and things like that. So that's what I decided to go with. So we got a few coins in there. Let's just go ahead and give it a spin, just like this. Seems to be working. A little bit of a jam, but again, just rotate it backwards and go forward, just like that. Alright, guys, I've been sitting here doing quite a bit of coin rolling with this, and I thought that I'd do a quick follow-up as far as how this thing performs. You got to watch out for lint and things like that, because again, guys, I know that most people will keep their change somewhere that there's a lot of junk sitting around. That can jam it up, but it's no problem to clean it out. You can simply reverse the arm slightly, but don't go too far, because then you're going to end up spitting pennies out over here where the quarters are. You know, that's something that can happen if you do get it jammed up. But maintaining a consistent direction, consistent speed, and things like that. Don't overload the hopper, and it does fine. And of course, you do have the ability to take this off and clean it out. You can see a couple of coins down in there, as well as a bunch of dust and other stuff that has fallen down in there. But overall, guys, I like this thing. I think it has done a very good job this afternoon. Literally, we've been sitting here for a few hours, and I'll have to say it's worked very well, especially for the price. Again, check down below. You can pick one up down there. I'll leave the link. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Check out the rest of the videos on my channel. Be sure to subscribe. Leave me a comment down below, and we'll see you next time.